Anthology is the right station for you. Over 2,000 songs from the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Anthology is bound to stir up memories. Download the WJCT app or visit wjct.org/jacksmusic to start listening today. Escape to a world of British telly on Redbox and PBS Passport when you become a supporter of WJCT. Sign up at jacksbundle.com today.
Good morning. President Trump hasn't been seen in public in almost a week. Today is his last full day in office, and time is running out for him to use his presidential powers. Who might he pardon? It's Morning Edition from NPR News.
8 o'clock now, and you're listening to WJCT News 89.9 Jacksonville. It's Tuesday, January 19th.
1 year ago this week, we saw the first American on U.S. soil hospitalized with COVID-19. I'm Steve Inskeep.
And I'm Noelle King. Remember, the outbreak in this country started north of Seattle. We'll hear from a reporter there. Coming up, we hear from 22-year-old poet Amanda Gorman, who will speak at tomorrow's inauguration. The Senate holds confirmation hearings for Joe Biden's cabinet nominees today. And what does a former colleague of Lloyd Austin, the nominee for Secretary of Defense, say about his qualifications? It's Tuesday, January 19th. Dolly Parton is 75. And the news is next.
Live from NPR News, I'm Corva Coleman. President-elect Joe Biden arrives in Washington later today, one day ahead of his inauguration. He'll attend a ceremony on the National Mall honoring nearly 400,000 people who have died in the U.S. of COVID-19. NPR's Mara Eliason says once he's sworn in, Biden faces enormous tasks.
Of the many challenges and crises Biden is facing, one of the biggest ones is the fact that so many people do not accept his election.